Hello, and we're here with some guys from Javelan and their dogs. Anyways, they're going to explain to us a little bit more about what a service dog is and how a service dog helps us. Anyways, could each of you guys tell us a little bit of a story about how and why a service dog is beneficial for you?
Be happy to. I'm Tim McAlpine, president of Javelan. This is Bob Dean. We're both two of the original founders of Javelan, which started in February of 2017. And one of the nice things about a service dog, when we get them into the hands of a veteran or first responder that has a recognized disability, to help them is, first of all, it gives them purpose. It gives them independence to go places that they are, say, otherwise fearful to go or need assistance going. It will also give them a bonding with the dog and establish a great degree of companionship. If they have fears of going into large places, the dog will protect their six, or it can sense anxiety, can do a bump to their hand to distract and teach them that, hey, everything's cool, let's focus on me, let's don't get nervous, everything is fine. So aside from other things like stability and helping people get up and down if they have an injured limb or a damaged limb, those are other things that a service dog can do also. And Bob, you want to talk about Duke and tell some of the things he's done for you?
Duke came to us about a year and a half, 2 years ago, and he's my cardiac alert dog. He's very good at detecting changes in blood pressures with me, stress levels and things like that. And a lot of times I don't pay attention to my own health. I mean, we go about, and day-to-day basis, Duke will come over and he'll either push on me or he'll sit on me and make me take a few minutes. And I'll be honest with you, when your stress levels are high, it is almost impossible to maintain a high stress level and pet a dog at the same time. It just melts away. Duke is only one of two dogs we have in our family. My wife suffered from PTSD, and she brought Jack into the fold. The difference is today versus the day she met Jack. She had a hard time leaving the household. She had a hard time being out in public for her fears. And Jack was at that time just a small little pup, and through the training process we use, it's a lot of one-on-one training and a lot of forcing folks out into public. Things changed for Charlotte. Medication levels dropped, and she became able to go anywhere, anytime, as long as Jack was with her. So the need for a service dog is all based on the need of the patient, and we tailor our program for everybody. We do everything from diabetic alert to seizure alert to cardiac to PTSD, you name it. Our trainers are pretty good at finding a way to teach that task.
And with that being said, it's at javelin.org is the website you can go to either buy a raffle ticket for this motorcycle that's sitting behind us, to donate money, or if you are in need of a dog and you are a veteran or a first responder, please go on the website, sign up, or donate money to help veterans, first responders, and get them aboard with dogs that can really help them and improve their quality of life.